Alright, what's going on guys? We've got 2 uploads in one day. You might be coming from my previous video about the Spigen 01 14 Pro Max case, but that's not it. Today we are going to be checking out another case, and yes, this is the certified Apple silicone case with MagSafe for the 14 Pro Max. Apple calls this version the silicone case in the elderberry color. Now guys, Apple is expensive. Apple cases are expensive. This case ran me $72.45 Canadian. So that's crazy. But let's see if it's worth it. So right in there, we pull that straight out. There we have got the silicone case. Let's try to get some good color in it. So as you could see, I did take it off of the case when I first initially got it a few weeks ago, just to see how it looks and just to give a really honest review. But pulling that right out, always satisfying opening even the smallest Apple products. Pretty nice. So the feel of it, obviously it is silicone. It has some good grip. Let's just stop talking and put that right in. Get the nice little MagSafe animation. Ooh, how beautiful. And straight out of the box, what do I think about it? It looks pretty good. So with the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max with the elderberry case, it is a match for the win. Look at that. So beautiful. Anyways, it is a very slim case. You get some very minimal cutouts. It looks almost flush, but if anything, you get 0.5 millimeters out of it. You could still see the lenses peeking out at this point. Not bad though. I guess, Apple wants you to get Apple Care Plus just so that, once you scratch your lenses with this case, you go and fix it for $499. $499. Practically 500. Anyways, you got a nice little screen lip right over there. If anything, it's another 0.5 millimeters. That's why it's always good to rock a screen protector and never put your phone in the same pocket as keys, because the number of people that actually do that is pretty alarming. Anyways, straight out of the box, how does it feel? It is not like your usual silicone cases where when you try to slip it into your pocket, it's so grippy that it doesn't want to slide in. I really hated that with a few other silicone cases on my previous phones on Amazon. But this one, it's silicone. It has that nice feel to it. It has that nice grip. You could easily rock around with it. Feels good. It's pretty lightweight. Adds minimal bulk to the phone, which is what we really like. And in all honesty, it feels really good in the hands. I would truly recommend it to anyone out there that's looking for a good silicone case and premium, because, we're rocking a little fancy Apple logo on there, which probably ups the price by $50. But if you're the person that goes for every single Apple product to all match it out, it is, in my opinion, worth it. I would consider getting a leather case instead though, because silicone tends to start getting oily and tends to start chipping easily here on the corners. Anyways, I've heard rumors that you could go to Apple and ask for a brand new case within the 1-year warranty and they'll give it to you for free. So it is a risky, smart investment getting one of these. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see a leather case review from Apple. Anyways, there's not much to say about this case. It feels really good in the hands. As I said, the color way with the deep purple 14 Pro Max looks amazing. In my opinion, that's something that I cannot get over. I do find that when you slip it in and out of your pockets, see that right over there? It tends to pop out. So you kind of need to pop it back in when you slide into your pockets on all 4 corners, but that's not too much of a big deal. It's really minimal, and if you're pretty soft with it, putting it into your pocket, there should be no problem. So this is the 14 Pro Max silicone case in the elderberry paired with the 14 Pro Max deep purple, we've got our beautiful cutouts right over there. I really like this circular cutout. It just makes everything look more modernized. And we have the single per single grill for the speakers and mic cutouts right over there. It's not one open space. It's all grill for grill, which looks really nice. We've got our ringer right over there. And don't you guys find that the red pops out nicely with the nice contrast from the darker case? Looks pretty nice. Volume up and down, and we have got our power button right there. Very tactile. Feels really good. Whoops. No, please do not call 911. My goodness. See, that's another thing, guys. That's crazy that I actually caught that on video. If you if you click power button 5 times, I forgot automatic emergency SOS. So it had a quick countdown there. I cannot believe I caught that on video. What a twist to the video. I was about to have the cops show up to my house, not clickbait. Should I add that in the title? Get into that algorithm. I should actually make a video about how I emergency SOS the cops, actually RCMP in Vancouver by accident because my whole iPhone malfunctioned. That's going to be story time number 2 after the one that I posted last week. Make sure to go check it out. Anyways, guys, that is pretty much it from the iPhone 14 Pro Max silicone case in elderberry paired with the 14 Pro Max in the purple. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and share with the notifications on if you haven't already. And I will catch you in a review and day in the life of the 14 Pro Max. See you guys.